Next, let's work on the image here. So si Bootstrap may border radius na sa mga images. Check natin. Let's search for radius. This one. So we need ito, gantong styling. Naka-circle siya. So you'll have to use the class rounded dash circle. So dito sa brackets, under the ing tag, so may class na siya dito. Magdagdag na lang tayo ng rounded dash circle. Save, preview. Ngayon, naka-circle na siya. Our next task is to make this white, the font color. So we have to add our own CSS rule. Before we do that, let's check first. Right-click, inspect, check natin kung ano yung classes na kailangan natin para ma-access natin itong text na to. So this is a-nav link. So ito yan. As you can see, pag in-uncheck ko to, naka-strike through tong code na to, naging black sila. So which means I need this same CSS rule dun sa style.css natin. So let's copy this. So isa to sa technique para mas mabilis yung gawa nyo. So i-override natin tong color na to dun sa CSS natin. So add another CSS rule, just paste it. We want a color of white. Let's check first. Save and preview. Ngayon, naka-white na sila. Close muna natin to. Yes. So yung hover, papalitan din natin. Then next is we want this to be bigger and bolder. So let's add a font size of 1.2 em and a weight of bold. Save and preview. Now they're much bigger. Next, we wanna have hover effect. So back to your style.css, just copy this CSS rule, paste it below, and then just add a pseudo code for this, pseudo class for this. Add hover and just change the color into F29948. Let's save and preview. Refresh. Now it's not black anymore. So I think we're done for this part here. Ito na lang, si text na IT toolbox. So check natin sa index.html. So I wanted this to be bigger. Lalagyan ko ng heading 2. Let's check. Now it's bigger. Pero this one should be in this part ng navbar natin. So let's go back to let's change that and go back to establish CSS. So itong sa H2, ma-access natin to AING at H2. So you can have a CSS rule for that, AING H2, or nav A H2. It works the same. So we'll change the color into #FFF, same, white. Check natin. Okay, white na siya. And then let's go back. Let's add a font family. Last in the HTML and CSS playlist, you learned how to add a Google font, right? So dito, gagamitin natin yung same na Google font na ginamit natin doon. So, if you remember, pumunta tayo nag-search tayo ng Google font. And then on their website, you'll use the Orbitron. You can use any font style you like. Ako itong gagamitin ko. So I'll click on it. And then I'll select this one. Then I will copy the link and paste it in our index.html file. I'll place it under the Bootstrap link before the style.css. And then I'll copy the CSS rule kasi gagamitin natin to para sa IT toolbox na heading. So here, I'll paste. Let's save and preview. Dapat nagbago na yung, okay. So iba na yung font style niya compared dito sa minus natin. So let's continue. We'll put padding of 0 in the margin of 0 as well. And then a font size of 2 AM. So let's check. Yan, medyo mas malaki. Ngayon, anong gagawin natin para umakyat tong text? Tapos, magkatabi sila dapat nitong image. So, here, tingnan natin sa index.html. Ito yung Navbar brand. Ito yung class name ng anchor natin. So, ito sila dapat magkatabi. Yung image tsaka ng heading 2. So, what we need to do, dito sa style, let's add the navbar-brand class. And then add display inline flex. So when we save and preview, ayan, magkatabi na sila. So we need inline flex. Next is, babaan natin tong text. So in our index.html, check muna tayo dun sa Bootstrap na website. Dito may heading at margin. So again, ito yung discussion last time wherein, dito tayo sa utilities. And then spacing. So again, M is for margin, P is for padding, T is for top, bottom, left, right. This is for the left and right, and top and bottom. So dito sa index.html natin, for heading 2, kasi siya ang ibababa natin konti, let's add a padding top of 4. So class equal to pt or padding top dash 4. Let's save and preview. Ngayon, ngayon, bumaba na siya. What we need to do next is lagyan natin ng margin itong left side. So, margin is so space lang, margin is for M, tapos left L, dash, let's try, not margin, let's add padding for the left as well. So PL dash, let's try it 2. Save it in preview. I think this one's good. So we already have a Navbar brand with an image and a text. Then our menus. So again, as a review, pwede kayong gumamit ng sarili niyong styling. Just add the CSS file into your HTML document. Same with what you learned from the previous playlist. And then you can use the classes inside Bootstrap. Pwede kayong mag-refer dun sa documentation nila. So if you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.